Good morning, cartooning class. I'm just going to walk you through the basics, and I hope you guys have a great week. So when you go to the class, if you could just go to classwork, remember you have an option here. You can do the weekly portfolio drawing, which would mean that you have chosen this. And within that, you're going to be opening up this, option 1, My Portfolio, and you'll just be putting your pictures into your portfolio every week. So this is week number 1, week number 2, week number 3, week number 4. So if you chose that option, I will be putting recommendations in here. So this is week 2, this was week 1. Week 1, I said you could draw a dragon if you'd like. You can always draw anything you want, but I'm just giving you some parameters if you'd like. So week 1, I would draw that dragon, and then I'd put it in my portfolio. So I'd put it in the week 1 thing right here. Week 2, I gave you some guidelines here. Normally in week 2, we would go to a more proportional person. I always do superheroes because they're more proportional. So I would take you in a class and show you how to draw a more realistic person as opposed to our keyhole guys that we drew. So I put this on here. This is a video on how to do it. You would just draw, according to this video, a more proportional person and make him a superhero and complete with a background, and then you would take your picture of it and put it in the week 2, right? And then week 3, I'll give you another one. You put it in week 3, week 4, another one, week 4. It's just a really simple way that I'm going to collect all your assignments together. And again, they're always going to be back in this cartooning assignment. All you have to do is to open option 1, My Portfolio. It's right there. All right. If you're doing option 1, you really don't have to listen to any more of this video. The next part's going to be for the animation class. Animation students, students who choose the animation, which is option 2. If you're doing option 2, I've already discussed the requirements of the animation, so I'm not going to discuss that much more. Remember, it is in here, cartooning assignment. I even record option 2. It's right here, so if you want to watch that, how to do it and what to do. I also have it written right here, right? You can do it in any of these 3 ways, so make sure you read that. I've already read it once, so I'm not going to read it again. And then you would go to the option 2, weekly check-in, and all you do is open up this form, and you'll see it says 511, week 1. So you're going to fill out these 2 questions for 511. 518 is week 2, which is next, not this Monday, no, not today, but next Monday. You would go to these 2 and fill out these 2. Week 3 will be 525, so you'll go to 525 and fill those out. Then the project is actually due on at the end of week 3. Just remember that Toon Boom expires on May 31st, so your project has to be done on May 31st as far as with Toon Boom. You could submit it the next day though. Okay, so again, every week on Monday, you're just going to go to the same form. You just fill out the 2 more questions and submit it. It's just a way to check in. Again, the requirements are not in here. The requirements are in the stop motion cartooning assignment. Here we go, cartooning assignment. Okay, so just make sure you review those and watch my little how-to on here. I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks so much, and I hope this clarified. Some of you did have questions. So have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.